As we continue drying out from last week, we have another concern on tap for today.
A familiar one, Canada wildfires and that smoke. It's once again expected to impact the air we breathe here in the New York City area. Fox 5's Raegan Medgie is live in Long Island City, Queens with the very latest. Good morning, Raegan.
Good morning, guys. The Canadian wildfire smoke again expected to seep through the area, only producing some haziness to the atmosphere. Now, today's air quality here in Long Island City right now is 46, so that's good. We're expected to reach 55, which is moderate. So those of you with sensitivity to air pollution, you might want to take it slow today. But trust me when I say it will not be near what we experienced back in June when everything turned orange. The images from June 7th are hard to forget. That's when smoke from the Canadian wildfires seeped into our area, creating the poorest air quality in the world, reaching a staggering 484 out of 500. At that time, we also started learning more about air quality levels and why they matter. 0 to 50 is considered good. Anything 100 and above starts becoming unhealthy. Today, we're expected to reach about 55, which may impact those sensitive to air pollution. Mayor Eric Adams letting New Yorkers know the city will be actively monitoring potential air quality concerns. In an update yesterday, the mayor added, quote, New Yorkers will likely see hazy skies in the morning throughout the day tomorrow. New Yorkers should listen to their bodies, especially if they have any pre-existing health conditions, and take any necessary precautions to ensure they stay safe. We will continue to update New Yorkers as forecasts solidify. And at this hour, there are still no air quality alerts to be concerned about here in the city. But of course, as you just saw, the mayor will be keeping everyone up to date. We're live here in Long Island City. Raegan, Medgie, good day, New York. Guys, back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Raegan.